Hello. Maybe you're thinking, is she real? Yes, I am very real. I'm excited to reveal the most beautiful smartphone ever.
To the summer of love.
The new Honor 10. It's time to discover a new world of AI photography. Image semantic segmentation. 3 words, 1 big feature. But what does that mean? To techie? Maybe this will help. Imagine we are visiting a beautiful lake. You want the perfect shot to impress all your friends online. No problem. The Honor 10 thinks for you, recognizing every part of the scene and optimizing them separately. Hey, don't leave me here.